this is my analysis for this week's video. All right, so this is what I think NASDAQ is gonna be doing for this week. All right, so how did we get here? Thing is, I recorded a video and then my PC crashed, so I'm gonna have to start it over again right now. Right, so let's clear off the chart so that I can show you guys how I got into this conclusion. All right, or maybe we might even discover something new. All right, so let's clear off the charts. All right, clearing off all the charts. All right, so like I said, guys, from the previous video, remember from the previous video we made about NASDAQ, I said that if you are holding a bullish position, if you are holding a buy position, just hold like that, because the market is expected to keep on rising and rising. It's going to give us an all-time high. All right, so if you're holding a buy position, just hold just like that. All right, so let's see, man, how far the market's going to be going. Let's see. All right, so when I first start with our levels, remember we have to box the market up. All right, so let's see. Okay, let's go back to the weekly time frame. All right. So no, okay, let's see on the monthly what's happening on the monthly. So, and the idea behind me always going to like monthly time frame, weekly time frame, like very higher time frames, is because I'm trying to look for candlestick patterns. All right, so remember, there are candlestick patterns that you need to understand. Once you understand candlestick patterns and then you understand chart patterns, I don't think there's anything else you need to know in the market. You need to understand candlestick patterns, chart patterns, and then understand how your trends and everything else works, and then the market's going to be very clear to you. All right, so that's what I'm trying to look for when I'm going to the higher time frames, to understand the candlesticks patterns. All right, I'm trying to spot the candlestick patterns. All right, so right now you see we have three bullish candlesticks. All right, the current one is this one. It's our third. All right, so you could say maybe it's not 100% accurate, but it giving the vibes of three soldiers. All right, so three soldiers, the third candlesticks has to go super crazy. All right, so we expect our current candlestick to go super crazy. So meaning this month of June, we expect to get an all-time high from NAS 100. It may not happen for this coming week, but for this month of June, we expect to get an all-time high based on the candlestick formation that we are seeing right now. All right, so let's put up our levels and let me stop wasting your time. All right, so let's see. All right, okay, let's go to the weekly time frame. Let's put our levels from the weekly time frame. All right, so you see this is our all-time high, the highest high that we have right now. All right, so that's where we're going to put our level, because that's the level we have to break. All right, so we're not going to put exactly at that week up there. All right, so just going to be putting it here on the opening and the closing. All right, so let's go to the daily time frame. All right, so far, by looking at this structure that I'm seeing, because I have to put on a level here, it seems like the levels that I'm going to be putting, they are validating a bullish market. All right, like I don't see the market reversing anytime soon. All right, or maybe should I say, I don't see the market reversing before it gives us an all-time high. All right, so let's see, we can put something here. All right, let's go to the 4 hour. Okay. So yeah, on the 4 hour, and still man, I see another level here. All right, and this level also validates a bullish market. All right, because remember the rules, guys. The rules are very simple. Once the market breaks the structure, what happens? It has to retest. All right, after retesting, it keeps going. Or if it gives you a fake out, it will give you a fake out. All right, but that's not what we are getting from this market. All right, so the market broke our resistance here, so we expect the market keep going. Put it there. All right, so see, our current price is running above our resistances, so it validates a bullish market. All right, so we don't know how far the market's going to be going, but let's see if we can put up trend lines. All right, so go to the daily and then let's see if we can put trend lines. All right, so we're going to be putting it here on the opening. Start from that opening. All right, So we have a beautiful trend here, very beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna be placing this one at our first high. All right, at our first high from this low. All right, this is a low, and then it gave us this high. So this is our first high. That's where we're gonna be starting with our trend. All right, and then so the market, it's easy. Like you just have to follow the basic rules. All right, higher high, higher high, like those for that formation. All right, so this is our high low point, our high point, first high point, and then the market gave us second low, which is like higher than the previous low. All right, and then it gave us a higher high, higher low, and then it failed to give us another higher high. All right, so yes, we are at our higher low right now, so meaning we're expecting a higher high. Maybe it will be somewhere above there. All right, so hence I said that's the direction of the market, because that's simply the nature. So but I think this is what might happen. We might break and then go up. This one is a hunch. It's not necessarily a technical analysis thing. All right, come on, why doesn't this thing wanna let go? Oh, so something like this might happen to the market, because it's always the nature of the market. So it might give us something like this, guys. So I don't know, man. Like if you're holding a bullish position and you didn't go crazy on the lot size, just hold it, bro. Just hold it. You're gonna be going above that 22,400 level. You're gonna be going above it. So guys, if you learn again from this video, please follow, subscribe, like, comment if you have a different opinion, a different view. All right, let's kill the market.